Hi there, welcome to the Factory of the Future, created by CSI, who are pretty passionate about revolutionising the palleting process in the fast-moving consumer goods industry. And let me tell you, they don't mess around. For 60 years, CSI has been pushing boundaries and exploring all possibilities to create a future where innovative technologies, processes and strategies can keep up with the ever-changing needs of the FMCG industry. Wondering how? Well, by integrating advanced technologies and automation. Isn't that right, Jan?
Yes, innovation is a key element in CSI to help its customers reach their targets on output and efficiency at the end of the production line. And CSI has a wealth of experience and knowledge to make it possible with all that new technologies that are available in the market.
Thanks, Jan. So there you have it. CSI is ready to blow your mind with their vision of the factory of the future in this special series. We'll be diving into the 4 key areas that show how factory floors will progress in the next couple of years as far as the end of the production line goes. Think supply chain flexibility, digital first services, the dark factory and sustainability. Are you excited yet? Because I sure am. So buckle up and get ready for some fun with informative discussions and a look into the future. Have you noticed just how powerful e-commerce, supermarkets and just-in-time delivery have become? That's great news for the rest of us, but for factories it means they have to operate differently. Don't worry, because they're up for the challenge. The solution? A flexible supply chain. That means offering mixed palletizing, packaging multiple products on a single pallet and reducing rework or co-packing at the end of the production line. And at the end of that line, the routing on the factory floor has also become flexible. Think about different routes to storage or direct loading into trucks and different finishing parameters like wrap foil, shrink hoods or straps. By introducing new technologies such as autonomous mobile robots and AI, it becomes fast and easy to handle these flexible routes. To handle all this efficiently, new technologies are needed, and that's where CSI comes in. They've been working on innovative solutions to handle demand for flexibility with ease. Janine, you know CSI's customers. What do you think is important for them now?
Consumer demand is changing rapidly. Our customers and manufacturers of fast-moving consumer goods face increasing pressure to respond quickly and efficiently. They achieve this by optimizing their supply chains, and to support them, we've developed new technologies and enhanced our palletizing solutions, offering greater flexibility and customization.
In our story on supply chain flexibility, we'll explore end-of-line mixed palletizing and AMRs in greater detail. But for now, let's move on to our second topic, where CSI gives you some insights on how they manage more and more services remotely in the future. So strap in and let's go. You know what's key to keeping the factories running? Performance. And that's exactly what they've got here at CSI. You see, they use the latest technology and data to prevent disturbances before they even become a problem. So Eric, how do you use data to prevent problems?
When all equipment is connected, data of the equipment can easily be obtained and commands can easily be sent. Status of a production line, what is produced per order, what is the waste, what is the quality, if maintenance is required, all this information is available. Data can be analyzed and remedies can be defined to increase efficiency of the total factory.
The factories are located all around the globe, so offering local maintenance can be a bit tricky, but fear not. They got a solution for that too. Introducing remote support services, which speed up the process and solve issues from afar. And if that doesn't work, they dispatch local service partners to get the job done. And that's where our third topic comes in. We're taking a deep dive into the nitty-gritty of how to make factories super efficient in this new era of automation and high-tech gadgetry. Here's the thing. The job market for factory workers is getting super competitive. And let's be honest, more and more people are finding repetitive work undesirable. That's why factories are starting to look a little darker. We're talking about the rise of the dark factory, a place where machines and technology do most of the work without needing us humans to mess things up. So, Remco, what do all these changes in technology mean for how factories are running?
Well, a factory without people does require adjustments to our palletizing systems. You need to have automatic checking via sensors, cameras, self-detecting systems to determine if maintenance is required or if the production is according to the quality standard. But there are a lot of advantages. No human environment is required, no heating, no light, no fencing, no HMIs, no emergency stop buttons, no operators required, no training, no shift leaders, no coffee corners. Only some specialists for maintenance.
Well, thanks for that, Remco. That does sound pretty dark. But for now, let's get back to talk about the human side of things. Our planet, for example. Luckily, CSI has been talking about that too. From fashion to food, everyone's jumping on the eco-friendly bandwagon, and manufacturing is no exception. The demand for sustainable manufacturing is skyrocketing, and we're not just talking about using recycled materials, we're talking about smart energy solutions and eco-friendly packing and palletizing too. For instance, packing your products in crates instead of old separate packaging, or using environmentally friendly paper instead of wasteful foils. The shelf-ready package models are also all the rage right now. They save you money and cut down on packaging waste, which provides for a win-win situation. And hey, CSI is not done yet. They're super excited to chat about evolving factory floors and how we can all keep things sustainable. So, Penel, how do you help your customers with that?
Well, for our customers, sustainability has to do with healthier products, less waste, water and energy, but also less and better packaging material and better conditions for their employees.
Right, so how does that work exactly?
Well, CSI can help with this by automating their palletizing work or improving the lines with lower energy consumption. Our lifecycle service department can help with replacing older energy-consuming parts with newer energy-saving parts. These are all examples how CSI helps its customers to take really practical steps towards a more sustainable production environment, from initial concept engineering throughout the entire life cycle of the machinery.
So that means saving the planet while saving money. Not too bad. So, was this video your cup of tea? Then we've got plenty more where that came from. Me and the CSI team will highlight the latest innovations, trends and technologies in this new video series. Stay tuned for more.